Welcome to our YouTube channel. Let us know in the description what your favorite bacon is. Today we're making crispy, sticky, sweet and spicy bacon. Perfect as a snack, breakfast side, or even a party appetizer. Let's get started. Here's everything you'll need. 1 pound of thick-cut bacon, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons maple syrup or honey, 1 teaspoon black pepper, ½ teaspoon cayenne pepper, adjust to taste, ½ a teaspoon of smoked paprika. Optional, pinch of chili flakes for extra heat. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper and lay out your bacon strips in a single layer. In a small bowl, mix 1/4 cup brown sugar, 2 tablespoons maple syrup, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon cayenne, and 1/2 teaspoon smoked paprika. Stir until it forms a sticky glaze. Brush the glaze over each bacon strip. Bake for 18-22 minutes, flipping halfway, until the bacon is caramelized, crispy, and golden brown. The full recipe is in the description below, and if you enjoyed this video, subscribe, like, and share. And that's it. Sweet, sticky, and spicy bacon with the perfect balance of heat and sweetness. Serve it as a snack, crumble it on salads, or pair it with pancakes for the ultimate treat.